Alright people, so today we have Majorette MAN Intercity Lion Coach available with us. We'll be quickly doing an unboxing for this. I'll tell you all the details of this vehicle. The packaging seems to be very sturdy and solid. The plastic over the bus is completely solid and there's no chance that the external forces can destroy the vehicle in this packaging. The bus looks pretty clean and glossy in red, and there's a beautiful red lion inscribed or basically painted over this bus, and the paint carries some kind of sparkle effect. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll be unboxing a street car, a racing car, WRCV racing car, a transporter, and also a race trailer. So let us quickly start with the unboxing for this MAN Intercity Line coach. I will just grab this. Before going ahead, yeah, these are officially licensed scale models. As you can see over here, it's product licensed by MAN, under MAN, and produced by Majorette Thailand. So without wasting time, let us proceed further. Oh, I don't need to use this, do I? No, I don't think so. I should not. Let us go ahead with my hands only. It's easy to unpack. Here comes the bus. Okay. Oops. Well, this is pretty sturdy. I'll be later on using it to cover it while displaying my collection to get the protection from dust. All right, let us check out the details. So this is MAN Intercity Line coach. It looks awesome in red. I'll just do it like this, and alright, and I'll show you the back as well. The attention to detail is superb. I mean, look at the tail lamps. It's completely detailed out. Yeah, I would say so. And yes, it's complete metal. It's heavy. This is really heavy. Let us check few detailing written. So it's a Majorette model. It's made in Thailand. MAN's Lion Coach L. So yeah, it's multi-XL. This is a 3XL coach, 1, 2, and 3, and it looks amazing. It looks good. But I love the detailing these guys have done. Alright, stay tuned. See the sparkling effect. That's good. Alright, stay tuned. I'll be also doing up some more unpacking or unboxing. We'll definitely go for that Nissan Nismo race trailer. Catch you later.